I was also making a joke that if like my mom was the queen of Yiddish song, then I was the princess, and calling myself like a Yiddish American princess on a Friendster. I think that was like my little tag, Yiddish American princess. Um, and then I had also really been trying to figure out what I wanted to do musically, because I wasn't doing any music, and I kind of wanted to, but I was really scared. And Michael, being Michael, was like, we need to set a date and we need to know that you have a gig then, and then you'll just do it and I'll help you do it because like I'm your friend and that's what we'll do. So I got a Passover gig at the Kultur Congress at their Cavehoys in New York when it was on 23rd Street. And so we were like, maybe we'll just put together all Pesach songs. But a lot of like the more secular and in general, like Yiddish Pesach songs are really, really cheesy. And we were going through them, and Winograd was like, the only way I'll do this is if we do it as like 80s pop, which we had like played around with. And I was like, fine, let's do it.